ready to go semi-engine. He's going to start building a boost in that truck. The smoke is going to go from the right. Then it's going to go to Greg, then turns black and back.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! That was dope.
Say 4 RPM before you let go.
Yeah! There we go! Yeah! Yeah! Dude! That's dope.
All right, here we go. Let's get rowdy and crazy. But that's exactly why, Kenny Eccles, that you and I are a part and love to be a part of Mountain West Point Nationals professional of what we do. Here we go. All right. It is the balance it out with the front end. So here we go, Trevor Neffenegger, bad intentions. He is gonna send those RPMs through the roof. Watch for the smoke to turn black and let it roll. Yeah, if there's a guy you're wanting to get behind, Trevor Neffenegger, get it done right now.
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. 3:11:05. Still behind the wheel up in smoke. You can see the green lights on Dragula. There goes the green flags. Front and end. Are we ready? Let's pull.
Oh! Yeah! Oh my, dude, look at that. That was sick. Oh yeah. Oh no.
A great man, Kyle Messerly, make some noise for him. He's kind of chewing on his bottom lip right there, trying not to use 4-letter words.
Yeah, he actually is doing his job the way he's supposed to do it. That's a very frustrating situation. He was just in
They're poking his rock. And here we go. brand new heavy powered truck. The headlights are on. Get ready. And keep shot. That's what I'm talking about right there. Getting the truck down the course, 351.91. Let's hear it for Skylar. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, get on the edge of your seats. Get those hands put together. Here we go.
Those RPM's gonna darken the sky. All right, it's a 1066 International. It used to be called Industrial Injection, then it was called International Foreign Star. Oh yeah! Very good! Come on! Oh, so close! 281.48, not a full pull, but that is going to put Perry in the lead. They got so many tractor classes out there.
I keep track of that arm. It's Chris Tabor. Get the green, green, and green. Here we go.
The number one spot with her. There we go. Make some noise.